Welcome back friends, and let's start with our first session. Let us understand why do presentations fail. When it comes to the first segment of persuasive presentation skill, it is very important that before moving on to the do's and don'ts of presentation skills, we need to understand what are the reasons behind presentations failing in any meeting or in any public arena. Now the first thing that comes to your mind is, I have prepared myself very well. I'm ready for the big day, but there it goes. I go there, and somewhere down the line I feel that jittery, that audience will not connect with me. So why do the audience don't connect with the presenter? Well, it's very simple, because your presentations are yuck. No, I'm not saying your presentations are yuck. What I'm saying is your presentation is yuck. What does it mean? Yuck is the topmost three reasons of why presentations fail. The first reason of why presentation fail is because you as a presenter, you don't know yourself. So why stands for not knowing yourself. You are not aware of your strengths, you are not aware of your capabilities as a presenter, and that's why probably you don't feel confident enough when you are standing in front of the audience. And this is where you get really nervous, and when you are nervous, it shows in your body language, probably a shivery voice, probably hand gestures that are very shaking, that is shaky legs under the podium. So that shows up in your body language, and that's where audience cannot connect with you. So that's the number one reason of why presentations fail. Now, the second reason of why presentations fail is because you as a presenter, you don't know your audience. So audience is disconnected. Why? Because you have not done audience analysis. Before any presentation, a thorough audience analysis is done, and so that you can connect with the audience's need and interest. So as a presenter, if you're not aware of the audience's need and their interest, their pain areas, or what are the information that they are already aware, and what are their challenges and how to be relevant to their challenges, that is where you feel disconnected with the audience. So the number two reason of why presentations fall flat is because you don't know your audience. Now, what is the number three reasons on why a presentations fail, or why a presentation fail? Because the third reason is you as a presenter, you don't know your content. Now let me tell you, huge demand of AI tools. There are so many resources that are available in Google, and there are so many tools that are available where you can make the content and the presentations in minutes. But let me tell you one thing, if you have not created a content, you'll never be confident enough to present that content confidently. So the delivery part will always be weak if you have not created that content. If somebody else has created that content, you are sharing their experience, you are sharing their story. So you need to be relevant to your experience. So when you are sharing your experience, your story, you are the master of your story. So you become 100% confident, and you don't have to mug up all the details so that you become confident. All that confidence will naturally flow. So the number three reason is you don't know your content. So what are the top three reasons on why presentations fail? Because your presentations are yuck. That is, you don't know yourself, you don't know your audience, and you don't know your content. So my entire presentation skills topic is based on these 3 points. I will tell you what are the objectives of our presentation. The number one objective is I will tell you how to prepare yourself as a presenter. So how to know yourself as a presenter, your strengths, your capabilities, so that you can present yourself confidently. And the second part is I will help you on how to do an audience analysis so that you can be relevant to the audience's needs. And I will also help you on how to design a powerful content. That is, how to bring life to your presentation so that you can create that content where you are confident enough to present your needs. So these are the things that we are going to learn in our upcoming video. So I'll see you in the next video.